Sweetheart?
It's okay, son. These things happen all the time.
Let's go, come on.
Skies are empty over Nelson's column now, but a few hours ago it was a different story. Eyewitnesses claimed that the frenzied swarms of birds were not, in fact, attacking people deliberately.
And it's not just this time. No. The 40 Times reported violent bird swarms twice last month in Australia and Japan.
That followed this bizarre and terrifying incident in London's historic Trafalgar Square.
Weird.
This is Chris Humphreys.
Quite strange also.
Strange indeed.
How do birds navigate?
By sight.
No, the long-range stuff.
Magnetic field. Little ions in their brains align with the magnetic field of the Earth,
Yeah, what she said.
right?
A.K.A. Hit the net, do a search for, 2 years ought to do it. Any and all, like, weird news, bizarre animal migration, specifically birds, whale and dolphin beachings, unusual atmospheric phenomena, unexplained plane crashes, just use your imagination.
That is a huge search.
You can use our T1 line to look up Sailor Moon crap. You're up to this. Danny, get me the brightest kids from the field theory class and design a computer model of electromagnetic field.
What are we doing?
I need a 3D computer model of the Earth to lay the field over.
Whoa, the planet Earth?
Yeah, the planet Earth, the pretty blue one. Map out the anomalies that A.K.A. finds and grunt out the equations. And, grab those smelly kids from the nonlinear diff class, too.
Listen, Josh, do we even have time for this?
Do this, and I'll sign your doctorates blindfolded.
Blindfolded.
Blindfolded. Do not pass go. Go directly to PhD.